A for apple. Apples are sweet, crunchy fruits that come in red, green, and yellow. B for ball. A ball is round and bouncy. You can throw it, catch it, and even kick it. C for cat. Cats are soft, cuddly animals that love to play. Some cats say meow. D for dog. Dogs are friendly pets that love to wag their tails. They bark to say hello. E for elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals, and they use their trunks to drink water. F for fish. Fish live in water and swim with their fins. Some fish are small, and some are very big. G for guitar. A guitar is a musical instrument that makes beautiful sounds. Strum your hands like a guitar. H for hat. A hat goes on your head and protects you from the sun. I for ice cream. Ice cream is a cold, sweet treat that comes in many flavors. What's your favorite flavor? J for jump. Jumping is fun and makes us strong. Can you jump high? K for kite. Kites fly high in the sky when the wind blows. Have you ever flown a kite? L for lemon. Lemons are yellow and taste sour. Some people use them to make lemonade. M for monkey. Monkeys swing on trees and love eating bananas. N for nest. A nest is a cozy home for birds. They lay eggs and keep their babies safe inside. O for octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and lives in the ocean. P for penguin. Penguins are black and white birds that love the cold and waddle when they walk. Q for queen. A queen wears a crown and rules a kingdom. R for rainbow. A rainbow has 7 beautiful colors and appears after it rains. S for sun. The sun is big, bright, and gives us warmth and light. T for train. Trains go choo-choo and take people to different places. U for umbrella. Umbrellas help keep us dry in the rain. V for violin. A violin is a beautiful musical instrument that makes soft and sweet sounds. W for whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They make big splashes. X for xylophone. A xylophone is a fun musical instrument with colorful keys. Y for yo-yo. A yo-yo goes up and down when you play with it. Z for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes and run very fast.